Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the broadcast booth right here at the New York Stock Exchange. And yes, it is a Friday afternoon. The week is drawing to a close, and we here at Modern Wall Street are ready to get the weekend started early. Thanksgiving in the U.S. right around the corner, and this is a weekend for all of us to prepare our minds and bodies for the assault of delicious and caloric foods that we'll all be shoving into our guts in just a few days. So let's get ready on this, an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks mostly flat this Friday as investors take in oil prices and await Federal Reserve Speaker remarks on monetary policy. Now, first, on a quiet day for data, we all turn to the Fed as several key Fed officials speaking today, including Kansas City Fed President Esther George. In a speech, she said the U.S. economy would benefit from the Federal Reserve raising rates sooner rather than later. Also, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said he is leaning towards supporting a rate hike next month and argued that the actual question is the Fed's rate path in the year 2017. Meanwhile, U.S. crude oil futures trading slightly higher. The U.S. dollar index is slightly higher as well, and the Chinese yuan currency at a fresh 8-year low. When you combine all of this, you have yourself a session right now of steady trade to close out the week. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the final trading session of the trading week. And it is a Friday afternoon, so instead of talking corporations, let's discuss sports. We have the Penguins at Islanders in Brooklyn tonight. No comment. On Sunday, big sports day, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Chelsea FC versus Middlesbrough. The New York Giants versus the Bears for their early game. The Jets have a bye week. A much-needed one for the Jets, by the way. But the big story for this weekend, to me at least, is NASCAR. Jimmie Johnson running for his 7th championship at Homestead Miami Speedway. It's the opportunity for Jimmie Johnson to tie both Richard Petty and Dale Earnhardt for the most all-time Sprint Cup Series championships, and that's within reach. In other words, that would be amazing company for Jimmie Johnson. In other words, good luck, sir. For Modern Wall Street saying enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys all on Monday, which is also Thanksgiving week. I'm James Sweeney.